Interlocking hinges separate for quick preheating. Slim profile takes up less space than an electric waffle maker. Non-electric Wafząer for use on gas, electric and ceramic stovetops. Fully submersible for easy cleaning, premium non-stick coating with a cooking surface of 7.1 x 7.1 inches. Made of cast aluminum for even heating, bakes delicate but crisp waffles. Made in USA with an imported handle. Interlocking hinges separate for quick preheating. Fully submersible for easy cleaning. Slim profile takes up less space than an electric waffle maker. Safe for use on gas, electric and ceramic stovetops. Receive a copy of our breakfast recipe book with this pan. Made in USA with imported handle. Cooking surface 7.1 x 7.1 inches. Care. 1. Before initial use and after subsequent uses, hand wash with warm, soapy water. 2. Hinges separate easily for cleaning. 3. Metal utensils, scouring pads and abrasive cleaners should not be used on nonstick surface. A long bristle brush will help clean hard-to-reach areas. 4. If batter should run out of Wafząer, wipe with wet sponge immediately to avoid baked-on batter. Use. 1. Lightly brush inside of Wafząer with vegetable oil, butter or baking spray. 2. Separate 2 halves of pan and preheat over medium 2 minutes each. 3. Pour 1 cup of batter in the center of Wafząer and close the top. Cook for about 1 minute, then flip Wafząer over and cook on the other side about 2 minutes, until golden brown. 4. Remove waffles with a plastic fork or spatula. 5. Serve with butter, syrup, berries or try with a savory cream sauce. Top reviews from the United States. Makes perfect waffles. Great waffle iron. Had bought an electric one, but it never seemed to get hot enough and the waffles used to stick and come out a little soggy, so I decided to try a traditional stovetop iron, just like Nigella used to make her waffles. I was so surprised at the difference. The waffle iron was fantastic and produced crisp brown waffles, no sticking. I think the trick is to get the iron nice and hot and spray with oil. Then let any excess oil pour away. Then cook and turn every minute or two. Let the waffles cook a while before taking a peek. I think if you look too early the waffles may stick because they haven't had a chance to crisp. Highly recommend this iron.